Let's see. All right, how do we open this guy? We got a sleeve here, and we have better material, better craftsmanship. We've checked out quite a few Trivisa knives here in the channel as of recently, so I'm excited to see what this one's all about. We got the skull skeleton right there with the Trivisa model. That looks very interesting. Is this going to be the one in here? Is it not? We're about to find out. Wiping cloth, paperwork, and here we go, guys. Here is the knife. All right, looks like we have a nice folder here, right, in this Ziploc bag. Get this guy out here, and bada bing, bada boom. Oof. Okay, listen, right away making a great first impression here. Looking very, very elegant. We got stainless steel liners here, sandwich construction with a G10 backspacer, it looks like, and obviously G10 scales. Yeah, we got some pull here. We got also a steel pocket clip, which is reversible, and also deep carry. Right, they're absolutely doing it right. And I'm also noticing, right, a little bit of something here, right? Very similar to Kaiser's clutch lock. They have additional holes here on the inside on the liner so you can adjust the tension on your crossbar lock, right? That's exactly what we have rocking on this guy. Got a few oils and things like that. So let me just clean this guy up really quick. Get it looking its best for you all so you can enjoy this 4K definition here on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Somebody called me out, said I was trying to flex the other day. I'm like, I'm not really trying to flex, right? The 17 Pro Max already came out. I'm just trying to give you guys the best quality possible. So enjoy that 4K definition. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get this guy deployed here. If you're ready, I'm ready. A very interesting rectangular hole. I don't think I've seen that before. Typically, I've seen more of a pill-shaped hole like this one here on the 80-20.5. And here we go. We're going thumb deployment. Bam! Right there is the blade, ladies and gentlemen. We got a little bit of a, what are we looking at here? Stone wash finish. I think so. Yeah, absolutely. Stone wash with a flat grind. Let's give it a nice little wipe here so you guys can see it. Obviously, it comes with oils and things like that out of the box, so it gets to you as pristine as possible. Beautiful drop point blade here with the switch. Got the plunge grind situation all set up, so you can sharpen this guy here for a long time to come without developing a smile. And 14C 28-inch steel on the blade. All right, everyone's favorite budget steel these days. So we got the crossbar lock. All right, testing that out here. Obviously, it's going to be on ball bearings. I'm kind of breaking it in, kind of figuring out how much flick of the rest it takes. All right, there we go. Once you get it figured out there, you are dialed in. Reverse flick, okay. I gotta say, with the liners and the G10, you do feel the girth, right? It's a little bit on the wide side. We'll get some readings here in a moment, but we're going to absolutely get at that reverse flick here, Spidey flick with the hole, all day, every day. Thumb deployment, right? Both are pretty good. And of course, use the crossbar lock itself to deploy this guy. That's robust, no movement there, no side to side, no up and down movement of any kind, right? Blade alignment, spot on, right in the middle as you would expect. We do have a little bit of jimping here also on the blade, right? Good to lock up there as you're cutting through material, get a good grip on the knife, and the ergos are also pretty good. Got to tell you, got the curvature here mainly for your index finger. All other fingers follow suit. You could forward choke a tad bit if you wanted to, about right there. That's a possibility. More than that, yeah, I'm able to accommodate my average size hands. Again, not the biggest, not the smallest of hands, but yeah, able to get it, good grip here, get it to work for me. Captive pivot with the Trivisa logo on one side, T8 on the other end, and it looks like maybe T6 on the body screws. But other than that, not a lot of billboarding going on at all. It's absolutely a very sharp, a very streamlined, sort of classy lines kind of knife, right? Let you guys take a bit of a closer look right there. Again, deep pocket carry clip, which is reversible, right? Ambidextrous friendly, because after all, this knife is one that obviously lefties can use as well. Again, me with my zero dexterity on my left hand, if I'm able to do this, obviously lefties are going to have a blast with it. It's also nice and rounded. The G10 is nice and contour all around. Even the back end here is nice and rounded as well. Lanyard solution back here for my lanyard people. You got a lanyard tube going on back there. That's how you take care of business. And other than that, again, a very nice, sort of, dare I say, bench-made bug-out competitor. These days we're seeing a lot of competitors here for the Benchmade bug out. Everyone and their mothers is putting out a drop point blade out there, especially with a crossbar lock combination. Now that Benchmade lost their patent, or their patent expired, that's what I meant to say, for their axis lock. So everyone and their mothers, knife brands and manufacturers are making crossbar lock knives left and right. And you know, it's a very nice and easy to manipulate knife. It is also finger safe, or you can have your fingers out of the blade path on the open and close as such. So yeah, very nice little knife here from Trivisa. Again, 14C 28-inch steel on this one. I got some textbook paper, and here we go. Oh yeah, absolutely going through that paper there. Very nice, very smooth on the cut. All right, pretty crispy factory edge right there. And then as far as cardboard, we do have a thicker wall piece of cardboard, so that's going to be a little bit more of a challenge for most knives. So cutting diagonally here for better performance. Again, this one has a flat grind, so it's going to look something like this. I'm going to forward choke a little bit here, thumb on the jimping, and bam, boom, okay. Yeah, absolutely slicing like a champ. And one last one here for scientific purposes. Absolutely a slicer through and through, no doubt about it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.